Hello my viewer, good day. So welcome to my channel again. Today we'll be inspecting this lovely 5-bedroom fully detached duplex with a BQ and swimming pool. Trust me, this house is very lovely. It's spacious. So let's go in, let's check how it looks like. So from the gate, entering from the gate, you see the carport here and the swimming pool by my left hand side. This swimming pool is 20 by 9 feet. This is the swimming pool and the fountain is over there. Look at the fence light and look at this building, the height. Look at the height, look at the glass and the car park. You can park 4 cars conveniently here. So you can park 2 here and 2 at this side. So then you have enough space to walk in. So I know you'll be very eager to see what we have inside. So let's go in and check the interior. So all right, let's go in and see how the interior looks like. So starting from the door, you can see the door is beautiful. Look at this elegant design over here and look at the handle. So let's go in and see what is inside. So let's have a look at the interior. So this place is where we have the guest toilet, and to my left hand side there is where we have the guest room. So let's have a look at the guest room. This is the guest room. Look at the beautiful wall brackets here, and here is the toilet and bathroom. The toilet and bath come with a standing cubicle shower. It comes with water heater and the mirror. You can see it over there. So let's have a look at the living room. You can see here is the living room. You can see it's elegant. Elegant meets a luxury here. Look at the TV area. You can see how beautiful it is. And at the back, we also have this lovely design. You can see with this lovely wall brackets. Look at the chandelier over there and the POP lighting. And
this
this
small
place
bar for you, so you can. This is where you keep your wine and serve your visitors.
And this place we have a video doorbell here where you see your visitor that press the ring outside. And look at this wash and basin. You can see this is pro wash and basin. You can see how lovely it is. And look at the wall brackets here too. So when I tell you this house is
It's not a gimse at all.
So this place we have the BQ. So this BQ has 2 entrances. So your maid, you know, BQ is specially made for is for your maid. So your maid can enter through the back door, or your maid can enter through the living room. So this is the boys' quarter attached to the house, and this is the toilet and bath for your maid. So you can see how beautiful and lovely it is. It also comes with water heater. It comes with a standing cubicle shower as well. So let's go to the kitchen. So look at this beautiful kitchen. I know this is madam's favorite. It comes with this lovely islander with this marble, and the islander also comes with this wash and basin, and the cabinet is roomy. It comes with this 5-phase burner and the heat extractor. You can see over there we have the washing machine and dishwasher. It comes with, you have this washing machine for yourself and the dishwasher. So you also have wash hand basin here. It comes with this double door fridge as well. So you have everything you need in this kitchen. And look at this pantry, where you can also keep some stuff. It comes with a microwave and oven, and there are also space here where you can keep some stuff. Look at the lighting all around the cabinet, and we have this lovely chandelier. And look at the CCTV camera here too, so you can watch everything that is going on in the kitchen. So we have a laundry room here. So you have your washing machine over there, and this place is also a laundry room. Maybe you want to put another washing machine here, or you don't like where that washing machine is, you can also put it there. So this is the exit door to the back. So you can easily go to the back from here, and this is another store. So alright, let's see what we have upstairs. So this is the stairway, and look at this lighting, the stair lighting too. So let's go up. So look at this chandelier. This is the walkway. This place I am is the walkway. So remember, it's a 5-bedroom, fully detached duplex with a big.
We have 4 rooms upstairs and 1 room downstairs.
This is the family lounge. So you can see it's lovely as well. And we have the TV stand there where you can hang your TV. Also with this beautiful chandelier. Look at the wall brackets. You can see you can put your couch here and have your electronics over there. So this is room number 2, and this is the wardrobe, and this is the toilet and bath. So you can see the color of WC here is different. So it also comes with a water heater and a standing cubicle shower. So let's go. This is room number 3. You can see the rooms are spacious. So this is the toilet and bath too. So we also have a central speaker all around the house. We have it in living room, we have it in the room and the family lounge. So look at the in-built speaker here too. So don't forget, the last room we just checked now is room number 3. So, and this room number 4. Look at the POP lighting. Look at the in-built speaker. See the wall bracket, cool. And that is the toilet and bathroom. So let's move on. So let's check the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. So I said earlier that it's a 5-bedroom that is partly furnished. So it comes with this bed frame. We are not going to put mattress because everybody has his own choice of mattress. So It comes like this, but no mattress. So you can have the view of you can have fan view from here. So and this place you can just put like a window blind to cover it. So we have from that place we have this balcony. So let's check the walk-in closet. This is the walk-in closet. You can see this place for your shoe and all. This place for your clothes. And you also have this place to fold some of your clothes. You also have this place to fold your clothes, and you also have this place. You can see. So let's check the toilet and bath. So it comes with this bathtub, the standing cubicle shower, and you look at the towels, the wash and basin, and the WC wall flush. So do you like this lovely property that I just showed you? It's a 5-bedroom, fully detached with a BQ attached to the building and a swimming pool. So this property is going for 160 million naira, and if you like to inspect, just call the number on your screen. I remain your number one trusted area consultant in Lagos City, Ibrahim Odu from Zima Home. See you in the next video. Cheers. This is the end of our inspection today. Thanks for watching. So if you like to inspect this lovely property, just call the number on your screen to book an appointment with me. So I remain your number one trusted area consultant in Lagos City. Ibrahim Odu is my name from Zima Homes. If you are watching this channel for the first time, do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification for my weekly videos. See you in the next video. Till then, cheers.